We are celebrating National Make Up Your Own Sundae Day. Yes, it actually occurs on July 11th. We're going to begin by making a candy bowl. Dip a balloon in melted candy coating deep enough to create a bowl shape. After the candy coating has completely dried, carefully pop the balloon. In an effort to cover up the ugly edges, dip the rim of the bowl into candy coating and place on a plate of sprinkles. Make or buy a big fat cupcake. We are using green frosting for the grass. Add your favorite ice cream. We made mint Oreo ice cream, which turned out super ugly. So after we put the cupcake on top, we're gonna have to add some more grass to cover up that hideous color. Top with that super cute ladybug Oreo, the candy butterfly, and the dipped Oreo daisy. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a super fabulous National Make Up Your Own Sundae Day.